Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the only consistent solution, a digital AV adapter and an HDMI cable. Plug the adapter into your iPhone's Lightning or USB-C port. This is why hardware works when wireless fails. Once connected, attach the HDMI cable from adapter to an available HDMI port on the TV. If your adapter has a charging port, make sure to connect power. That prevents interruptions and keeps resolution stable. Don't switch to AirPlay yet. Stay wired for reliable mirroring as we continue. Once your cable is seated, use your TV remote to select the exact HDMI input, HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, so the TV actively receives the signal. Then return to your iPhone, unlock it, and if prompted, tap to trust the accessory. This confirms the connection and allows video output. You'll see your home screen mirrored. Make sure the iPhone stays awake by disabling auto lock temporarily. Adjust orientation and volume on the phone. The adapter simply passes the phone's display and audio to the TV. To finish, open the app or media you want to mirror and make it full screen. The TV will display exactly what's on your iPhone. If the image is black or flickering, first reseat the adapter and HDMI cable. Loose contacts are common. Once done, try a different HDMI port or a known good HDMI cable. If problems persist, connect the adapter's power input or test another iPhone to isolate whether the adapter or phone is at fault. That single troubleshooting step usually finds the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.